brown for baby. These are the hash brown they are, man. Now this one, fuck her too much. Every blood club, you ever say it? Whoa, morning! Good morning, one and one. Good morning, one and all. A quick boss in the building, my general. Go on, people. A whole heap of people that wonder why my caption is what it is saying. Say, me glad say Jamaica lose Miss World. Who else with me with this? Me glad say Jamaica lose Miss World. Me glad, you know. Glad. Me glad back boss. Glad. Me glad. What the girl bad? Where I run for Jamaica Miss World. But before the whole of start trace me, morning. Me ask you which part she born. Where Miss Jamaica born? Good morning, Rachel. Hi, sweetie. Wanna come? Where she born? Alright. For me, if you're born in America, if you're born in Canada, if you're born in England, if you're born in France, if you're run for that. Go be the Miss World for that. You understand? Pray. You see, if you're born so run for what you really is. Well, I'm not going to cuss now, you know. I'm not going to cuss now. I say, why would I want Jamaica to lose Miss World? Because I don't want Jamaican run. That girl is not Jamaican, you know. Her mother is Jamaican. She born to a Yankee father who have money. And just because her dad is light skin and she light skin and them have money, so she get the opportunity to go run for Miss World, for Jamaica, and go dress up like the great rich of Rosal. Remember, you know, the light-skinned girl with the Yankee father, her father is American, you know, with money, you know. Right? Barney, yes, to a Jamaican mother. Girl, like you run for Jamaica. Oh, you for run for Miss Jamaica? Yes, you're not Jamaican, girl. You're not even fully Jamaican, and your mama, you're barely a Jamaican goods. Barney, yes, sir. You will not even know it's a Miss Rosal. You know me, I'm moving. I'm moving. God knows me, I'm moving. God knows me, I'm moving. I'm moving. True. Me no business. What can you say about it? Like a decoration.
Leave it alone. That's what you told me to put.
Girl, go and go see dog boss still a Jamaican. Oh, you're born in America and tell me say you're Jamaican. No, you have Jamaican descent. Janet, not come reason with me like an idiot right now. Don't reason with me like an idiot. Janet, you see if you're going to reason with me like an idiot? Don't reason with me like an idiot. You have Jamaican descent, born in another country with a whole new birth paper and everything. How are you Jamaican? Tell me how you're Jamaican, Janet.
You said it correctly, Jamaican descent.
You have Jamaican descent, that's it. But you are not Jamaican. Oh, she a Jamaican now, mama. Be honest with yourself.
They don't know what the fucking dictionary is.
They don't know, I don't think so. She is not to be running for no Miss Jamaica because she's not Jamaican. I mean, alone see this. The girl not even talk Jamaican. You see like how... Eh? No!
Not even live in Jamaica?
She not even live there. Her dad is American, he has money.
That's why.
Yeah?
That's why she's only able to run that race, because that don't make no sense.
Oh, are you supposed to have an American birth certificate?
Miss America run for Miss America and does not even live
in America.
Not even American. That don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense.
Still don't make no sense for for Jamaican to do it.
You know, make the sense for Jamaican do it. Period. Because, bro,
Don't think she is, like you said, money, pretty, and
money, and that's the girl. My wife speak Jamaican in her parents are Jamaican. I mean, this girl literally talk Jamaican off rip, talk it to you. That girl can't even talk Jamaican, none at all. All she is American. That's it. With the Jamaican mom.
She grew up with her mom and dad, or
She she born and grew up with mommy and daddy. Yeah. I wanna. Oh, now got things say somebody like that, even worthy for run phone dog.
maybe that's why she wore that dress, because she just don't have no understanding.
And you know what? Me say Miss World blam money in on the face this year. Who win Miss World, baby? The blackest girl in the fucking competition. The blackest girl in the competition, and she win. You hear what our speech was? Women with my color and who look like me are treated different in the wider society. And she speak facts. I'm going to come to facts now. Look on this a light skin girl. This baby. This a light skin. She don't have nothing to do it. For you look on that girl, she don't look Jamaican. She don't nothing for Jamaican. I would never vote for her. Ever. She had to lose. Dressing up like blood. Dressing up like the great witch of Rosal. Oh. Huh? Oh. Well, girl, if you can't hear me, everyone else I hear me. So fix the phone. That's not my problem, baby girl. Because to me, it's like you're doing it to be annoying right now. I can't hear you. Then I can't hear you. Fix your phone, because I'm not hearing it from no one else. It's just you. Say, it's either you're trying to plagiarize me, or you're trying to be fucking rude, or you're trying to... What are you trying to do? Because if I hear someone else say they can hear me right now, I know you're being fucking rude. Can you guys hear me? And look how me cuss, you know. Who else can't hear me? Good morning, honey. Now you see? Now you see? Now you see that you want me to cuss you out? Because you're being fucking annoying? You understand me? That has nothing to do with me. That's all you, baby girl. You understand me? Don't fucking interrupt me for no stupid shit. Because I see most of you continue to do that shit to other lives, because I watch other lives too, to break people's fucking concentration. You understand me? Girl, I'm not playing this morning. Get the fuck off my life. If you can't hear me, come off. Fuck. Why the fuck would you stay there doing that? I'm sorry, man.
Fuck.
Yeah, but you have people that are like that who continue to do it, babe. Like, I can't hear you. I can't. Don't do that, girl.
That's more than one person, then.
Yeah, I know. That's the same fucking idiot did I do it. That's why I got mad.
Bypass the hole. Just look over. Walk over.
Bitch, step over. All I am saying is, I have seen the Jamaicans do this too much. It's been so much Miss World competition, and you will never see a real Jamaican girl. All you find is light-skinned bitches with rich daddies who live in Canada, who live in America, who live in another country in the world. But you guys would have never take it up and looking on a bumbleclad self. I'm going to take up on a giant girl in my yard. Why? What would giant scare you, bro? God? We giant scare you. So now we go take up them whole heap of blood clot, gigi, brown skin, blood clot, long hair, blood clot, gala, rare and tete and blah blah and titi. When you look on the blood clot Jamaican flag, it is green, yellow, and bumbo clot black. It is not green, yellow, and brown, you know. It black. It black stand for the big rusty kin black people that will come from down there. But every time you take up on yourself and go in a Miss World, go lose. I one of the blood clot claim to say long hair, blood clot Miss Cinderella, Pocahontas, bumbo clot Spanish looking, blood clot high color kin thinking girl. You feel lose good as me glad you lose. You could not even understand nothing when I come out of my mouth. You feel lose. Because you're not a Jamaican, you fucking idiot. And the people will take up themselves. And the people will take up themselves. I come and talk about she a Jamaican. Where? This girl have nothing Jamaican about her. Go a girl, boy, a blood clot Jamaican. Which part? You don't look nothing like Jamaica. Jamaica don't know you. We not accept you goodie. You born down there? No, we don't even know you. No, you can't even take up yourself. I could take up some wee nice giant girl. We're down there. I want to think so we can win Miss World too. Rascal, I want giant girl winning. Good giant. And that's the blood clot thing with Uno. Uno bumbo clot prejudice. Uno lose there. What you see, brown girl? Who don't think Miss Spanish did not go win it for no? Would I never vote for that the dirty girl there? Which part is she? Not even her last name no sound Jamaican. Boy, you dress up like blood clot. The great witch of Rosal. You is the great witch of Rosal for true dirty hole. You really is the great witch of Rosal for sure. So you don't know nothing about Jamaica. You get up a praise one dirty Asian girl when they come and Jamaica come one plantation and a fuck slave man and a kill them. As she come down, they can take up the slave man them and turn them in a husband and give them room to room, and so she kill them room to room, goodie. And as she go dress up like, for sure, you don't know nothing about Jamaican dirty girl. You don't know nothing about Jamaica dirty girl. You don't know nothing about Jamaica stinking girl. You feel lose. Me glad you lose. No, would have vexed if you win. Drunk crow. Girl, you a Jamaican girl? You know nothing about Jamaica? I cuss you and cuss you. Yeah, you're rich daddy. But my daddy rich and me, bro. Girl too. Dirty girl. Move my blood clot, dirty and stink like. Girl can't even boil a little rundown. Boy, you're Jamaican. Girl can't even steam little rice. Girl can't even cook up some saltfish with little okra cook down in it. No ackee saltfish, no nothing. But you run for blood clot, Miss Jamaica. And I dress up like blood clot me, blood clot thinking, blood clot witch of Rosal. Dirty girl. Which Jamaican girl you think I go dress up like a dirty Asian girl who can kill off a Jamaican plantation man them? Me have a classy dirty girl. Me have a class her. Because of people like them there. Always make things for people like, you know, the good, nice people them stop. Me not have no good to say about that the blood clot girl there. Our daddy rich, them good, them blood clot. Alright, goodie. Fuck you want me to come talk about this blood clot brown shit. Goodie, look here. You see, when me go to Jamaica, I never see one girl like she a walk around. No. And them the girl them praise. And always I come go and say black girl now have good blood clot looks. Go ahead. Them the girl can't get no love from me. Go ahead. You bright here? Eh? You bright here? But blood clot Jamaica. Which part are you good? Which part are you? Your mama Jamaican, you come out of one Jamaican old, born in an American country. Girl, you're nothing about, you're not Jamaican mother, you're descent. That's it. Your mama. You can't even spell blood clot Aki. Boy, you're Jamaican. Look at McDonald's girl. Go sit down here. Look at McDonald's girl. Go and go sit down. High up. Dennis, go and go sit down. You hear me good eh? You see if you don't know nothing about the boiled blood clot, banana mix up in a bumbo clot, butter good eh? Go sit down. Good if you never eat dumpling and butter yet, how can you be Jamaican good eh? Goody, which part of your Jamaican girl? Come roast some breadfruit for me. And roast the saltfish, but it's like, I'm not too like, you know, saltfish. You roast the saltfish and the roast breadfruit, the bad, you know? Yeah. Come roast some breadfruit for me, Miss Jamaica. Come roast one breadfruit for me right now in front of me. Just come roast it. I'm going to roast the breadfruit, roast the breadfruit, roast the breadfruit. Just come roast one breadfruit in front of me. Call you Jamaican goody. Why you just up like the great witch of Rose Alpha? The great witch of Rosal. Goody, you didn't know that story there? Yeah, I like your roast yam too, but what do you roast the breadfruit to the roast saltfish to the body no goody, yeah. Ask you. Jamaican rate brown and move them blood clot. I never fuck a brown girl yet. I not find no brown girl attractive. I want the blood clot. They say my wife caramel and nice. Black girl there. The girl never black, he couldn't get me. I tell her that straight. What? Yeah. The pussy clock. Where you at the bus state? Where you at Jamaican? She don't know the Rosal story. Only an idiot when don't know the Rosal story would have just up like the great Richard Rosal. And she do not name Annie Palmer. She named the great Richard Rosal. Nobody not call the whore, so. Nobody call that whore that. That whore is not even Jamaican idiot girl. Idiot girl, we just up in them sitting here, boy, I run for Miss Jamaica or Miss World. You're a fool. She's not a part of our heritage, fool, brown girl. That's why this brown girl is shit, you know. You're really shit. She's not a part of our blood clot culture, idiot. Why you never go dress up like Miss Lou? Why you never dress up like Miss Lou? Miss Lou is a part of our culture. Big part. Why you never dress up like Nanny? You never want your head to wrap up a what? Freddie weave drop out goods? Eh? I don't know weave that a year long so. Ah, goody. I don't know. You mix, you know. Goody says she mix. Like Lasco. Mama says she mix like Lasco. And Miss Lou, you feel dress up like girl. Good Miss Lou. Nanny, that is your culture good as. When you come out, you know, that are your Yankee culture good. In a mall, you go buy them, they sitting there. Why you never make them neat one sitting like what Miss Lou always wear? Ain't good. We don't wear them something there, yard. That is nothing to do with the culture good. What you did have on this, so. What you did have on, not have nothing to do with Jamaica, that's why you lose. Because you don't know nothing about your country. The place where you say you rep for, you don't know nothing about there. You don't know nothing about down there. True. I wouldn't lie to you. You feel like a joke? This year, when I look at you go there, I'm glad you lose. Because you don't look nothing like Jamaica. You don't represent Jamaica, nothing for you in Jamaican go there. I'm glad you lose. I'm glad you don't come fourth, I'm glad you don't come second, I'm glad you don't blood clot have a number. You're not Jamaican, girl. Go fight for what you really is, girl. Boy, you mix. Mix with what? Mix with shit. Girl, go sit down. Go and go sit down. Go and go find our seat boots. Go there. When you say you're Jamaican goods, you just up like Miss Lou, Nanny, and them the strong woman there where, you know? Okay. What you look? Oh my God. Me not gonna do that with them, you know. Me not gonna do that with them. Alright, I wanted the reason why it's bleaching now stop a yard. It not stop nowhere. You know why? Because of the way our society make it look. Like, just the reason why South Africa win, she told the truth. That girls with her skin color, them no win, them lose. Yeah. And it's a black girl win Miss World. Look at life. Whoa, whoa, look at life. It's a black girl. Not no light skin girl, you know, it's a black girl win. One black girl, black. Win. But uno don't even want to embrace the black with the on the flag. Uno get up every day with the one amount of brown girl here. Here, uno don't say, oh, be a brownie we want it, be a brownie. See brownie lose there. See brownie lose there, the black girl win there. A rich father can lick up my body hole after I don't care about him. That's why your father live up here. So your father is not a yard man. Your father is a Yankee. You understand? A post like you did, my friend. You see me I did? So me I wonder how you up on the stage and wear Jamaica colors. Hey girl, go suck your mother, girl. How you wear blood clot Jamaica color, girl? Eh? You want somebody come conk up your bumbo clad? Hmm? Every brown girl they always I say I wore them there, you know. Fuck like dog and them little thing there. You see me I deal with wearing brown girl. Fucky brown girl. I said them deal with in our yard. If you want a girl, you fucky brown girl, then fucky you fuck. If you fuck out brown girl, every brown girl named Pinky. And them they are whore. But at them they wanna embrace. Wanna embrace the black one them and it's a black girl win, you know. It's a black girl win, you know. It's a black girl win, you know. Look there. One black girl win, you know. I wear the crown in front of the brown face. I pass round, you know, so. I walk to the round, you know. One black girl. Head cut off, you know. Dry, you know. Win, you know. What the moralized story? Embrace who no bumbo clot is. Stop with the front. What the front in for? On a black. I good at that me gonna win. Just because on no real and that's how no blood clot lose. On no real. Cause when they take off that the bumbo clot claim to say Jamaican there for that the stage and put her down at Jamaica for walk on the street, they rob it. Cause she don't look like a Jamaican and not all from the seat. This is our foreigner this and them a rob a foreigner. So what I go say? Hmm? You feel blood clot lose. You the thing say you are gonna come. For me, I think this is a fucking lie. You see all Miss World competition is fake. All out of fake. Because if a person don't born in our country, why would not make them represent that country? Eh? Because I saw on a bumbo clot stay. It goes to show you even Sterling and Storage, they're Jamaicans. Man, they. And then can't play for blood clot Jamaica because England tell them say at them have to play for because at them give them light and salvation. They play for Manchester City and this and that. Raheem Sterling cannot kick football for Jamaica. And him is a yard man. When Raheem Sterling talk to you just like how me talk to you. And who he play ball for? Him play ball for England. Just like that Yankee girl, man. She have a Jamaican mother. She couldn't beat the other Yankee girl, you know. For go in a competition for be Miss America, you know. So she go in at the lesser one. Oh, because my mom is Jamaican. My mom, you get it, babe? My mom is Jamaican and my daddy rich and I got Jamaica. Them are gonna really put me in. First thing first, we got Jamaica win Miss Jamaica. You're not even from there. But just the way our life is.
It would have made more sense if she was somebody from Jamaica, somebody who participate in things in Jamaica more often. You know, like community things.
And the first time I see a girl since this,
You know what I'm saying? Like,
this
not
Miss Jamaica and sitting.
face.
Yeah, no familiar, nobody know this girl.
It's like
Nobody Nobody know this girl until Miss Jamaica come up and know Miss World. And the first we hear of this bitch. God know. We never see this girl a day in our life. Our father not fix no road at Jamaica. Yes, glad. Me not see our father contribute to nothing at Jamaica. What the fuck you do on one stage with the flag on your girl? Aren't you American? Are you what? You couldn't beat the blood clot Yankee girl them? Eh? The Yankee them didn't beat you bad goodie? Alright. Because for what me say, the Yankee them didn't put a whole heap of girl. Members of 50 at state. And the whole of them better than you. Eh? Right, babes? Must that. So what you say? You got Jamaica where your mama come from. If you go in the smaller pageant, hey girl. I wanna make it big pussy girl when you. You know what I look at? I just look at it like
So morally she's not correct. It's more politically. Like she went for the business aspect of it.
Yep, a business.
What would help her climb the ladder.
Yep.
Not morally, not.
She didn't do it because she's Jamaican. She want to do it so she can be Miss World. And she said Miss Lisa Anna did win it. And Lisa Anna, a light skinned girl. First of all,
That's what competition is.
no, Anna that.
Supposed to be about. Like,
Yeah, I want to tell her why Lisa Anna win and why you never win now, good. Because Lisa Anna a Jamaican girl. When you talk to Lisa Anna, she talk to your son. Yeah?
What was her contribution to it? Like what she did?
She not contribute nothing to Jamaica. I don't know if her father did pay for politician them or what. But we don't know if you are your blood clot father. We never hear of none of us until you win a pageant. Me glad you lose. You should have lose worse. You shouldn't make it none at all. Because I'm sick and tired to see uno count out the real Jamaican girl them and put some little dirty bitch in front. For what? Because I know I light skin winnings. She win because she light skin. She lose. Fuck her, no. I bet you say one black girl that oh, my mistake. A black girl did win. Fucking idiot. How do you feel now? I bet you say on the start. We are not be a light skinned girl surround the one black girl either. Be a light skinned girl surround the one black girl and she win. What is the moral of the story? Eh? What do you think is the moral of this whole story? Stop bumbleclad praise this color thing. The whole of the races as much as you don't know on the bumbleclad races. I should represent you well with him blood clad accent, you know, but I feel like one time then they give her the mic that she'd have no Yankee talking in her throat like you. I'm sure you have blood clotting, you know. All of them boys I cause I did them only for white brown girl thing, you know. Oh, there's a brown girl, that's a brown girl, that's a brown girl. More at a brown girl. This and that. Brown girl are loose. Brown girl will big. You understand me? Real Jamaican okra and steam fish body. Ton carnel body there. Ackee saltfish body. Hop! You don't know why I embrace the black pan the flag so good. Want to take off the black off the flag then and go suck out to no matter. I put white. You see which part the black up on the flag? You put white on there now. All of you change back the flag right now. Marcus Garvey. Boy, I alone this is Jamaica for what it really is. Because the Jamaican them not see it. Change the flag and put fear color on there. Put red, white with the green where they on there. You don't need the black on there. Why not put black on the flag for, idiot? Gigi fool. Why not put black power on the flag for? That don't make no sense. Why not embrace no black woman? Why not make no black woman run for no country? So, why? Why? Why have it on the flag? Because now when you say black stand for the color with skin. So how when you see none of them the color they are run for Miss World? Yeah man, colorism good as. And you know what the other thing though? Brown girl can't steam rice. Then can't cook. You fucker them nasty. Don't know if you rinse out them jars. You see me? So them take this a brown nasty girl, you know. That the girl look like he can't even boil water, you know. That the girl, you know, if you represent Jamaica, none at all, I don't know how to cook a Jamaican meal. You can't even cook a Jamaican bumbo clot meal. But you want to run for Miss World. Miss Jamaica, eh? Miss Blood Clot Jamaica can't even steam like a rice. Disposable. It wasn't because this is a fuck. That one amount of fuck to me. That's why I have to love my wife, you know. Hey, my wife said, I wouldn't call me a Jamaican because I wasn't born there, but I have Jamaican descent. My parents are Jamaican. I understand Jamaican fully. I speak some Jamaican. You feel me? They speak patois. They can all cook Jamaican food, curry chicken and them thing there, brown stew chicken. My wife. She know. And you hear how she can tell her? Say, I'm American, but I have Jamaican descent. So Camille go up on a stage now and be like, yeah, me a Jamaican. She wouldn't. Because she would think she's being a hypocrite. Because she was born here to Jamaican parents. But me never grew up a yard. I don't like, me can't tell you how I know this shit city way it did, like how the people are or how the schooling is or oh somebody like that now really I gonna put on a flag and say, yes, I am Miss Jamaica. No, you're not. You not even know how Jamaica set up. You see me, David? You don't know nothing about yard. You see, Pri? You don't know nothing a fucking tall about yard. Yeah, what you know about yard? The stories where mommy tell you. Mommy tell you stories. So all of a sudden you feel like you're some kind of yard girl. I don't understand. I'm just glad you lose. Teach you a fucking lesson. So my time when I lose, I don't know why I lose, you know. I think the competition look upon them something them. You feel me, babes? Like, for real, sister.
Hello.
For sister, you know, born a yard. But yeah. Jesus Christ. My name no call. Well, I can't put money in a scrape, so. But my name not stop ringing in the streets right now. For real, you know what I mean, because she a link with that the girl there. I just don't want my name to be called. Trust me, they do say shit. I just get that the piss girl there off of my back in the arm. I just don't want she back on my back.